how to send newsletters in Mailchimp. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can send newsletter within your account in Mailchimp. It is very easy and very simple. All you have to do is to follow the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing you are going to do is to visit Mailchimp.com. Then you are going to either log in if you have an account or sign up if you don't have one. In my case, I have already my account set. Now, when you sign up for the account and log in successfully, you will see this interface or this welcome page. As you can see, this is the home page and everything is set. You will see it right here, the performance or the email performance. You have here some quick actions, and here we have the stores that we have connected or integrated within the platform. We have, as you can see, Shopify and Wix. Now, to make the audience first before sending the newsletters, you have to set your audience. Because what is the purpose of the newsletters without an audience? All you have to do is to click on audience, and there we are going to click on all contacts. Within the contacts, you are going to add some contacts. Here we have the option to add them manually. Click on add a single contact, and there you are going to set the email address, first name, last name, and the about information of the particular individual. Now, if you want to make a bulk importation to the platform, you can also do that with just clicking on all contacts. Also within the audience, click on add contacts, and here we have the option to import contacts. Right there, you are going to upload a CSV file or a text file. Or also, you can import them from another service that provide you with contacts like emails and etc. Make sure to make the CSV file available and also regularly. So here we have also the option to copy and paste. After you have set your contacts, you are going to click on create. Now everything is set, and we are going to click on a regular email. Click on design email, and then we are going to see here some templates. But before that, we're going to set here the to, which is the person that you are going to set, or the recipients. As you can see here, we have 105 recipients, and from here we have the expeditor email address. As you can see here is my email. A little disclaimer, guys: everything created in this video, such as email addresses, phone numbers, and addresses, are created for the sake of the video. They are not used for any personal uses. Now, we have the subject. You can add a subject right there. For example, if it is a newsletter, obviously you are going to set here is your newsletter. Here is your newsletter, like that. And you can set it as a preview text also. You can do whatever you want. You can add some emojis or etc. For example, when you finish, click on save, and here we have the subject set. Now, all you have to do is to click on a design email. Now we have a lot of templates that you can choose from, or you can go ahead and create from scratch. I'm always using a create from scratch, and here we have the template. I always use Canva to create my newsletters. So you are going to visit Canva, then sign into your account. After that, you are going to click on the search bar right there and type simply newsletter. Letter, like that. Type enter, and you have here the templates. Choose one of these templates. Then when you finish, you are going to import it as a photo. Now, also you can implement some links, etc. to make it clickable. So we are going to use one of these templates. Then we are going to make it compatible with the email. So I am going to use maybe one of them, like this one. I'm going to click on customize, and here we have the template. Now I am going to customize this in my taste. For example, I'm going to set here newsletter, like that. Put it like that, and here we have welcome, a welcome message, digital download subscription. I'm going to delete this, but I'm going to put here welcome to your world, like that. And now I'm going to put monthly, like that, newsletter. newsletter for you. I'm going to set that like that. And here you can set some information, for example, and blah, 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 like that. I'm going to set that for some information that this doesn't matter. And here we have it. I'm going to set this, delete that. I'm going to make this like that. And also I can add some photos, click on elements and add some photos. I'm going to add some photos, like I'm going to set photos like that. All the images that are implemented on Canva are copyright free, so you can go and use whatever image that you want, or pictures. For example, I would use this picture and maybe that picture like that. I'm going to try and make them symmetrical to each other like that, and also in the same size. Also, you can add some objects. For example, I'm going to choose some objects like these for the graphics. Add this one maybe, and put it like that in the middle. This also sticker or this staple, make like that. And here we have the newsletter. This is just an example. It is not reflecting anything that I have in mind, but it is okay to let you see how we can do that. Now, the newsletter should be a PNG. You're going to download it like that, but I highly recommend you to use the color white because the background right here is white. So go ahead and get that white. Simply download it. Click on PNG again. Click on download. Wait for a few seconds until the upload is set. Now all you have to do is to go right there to the email builder. So we are going to wait for the file to be downloaded. Then we are going to upload it right there. All you have to do right here is to add an image block if it is not right there set. But the first thing you are going to set is the header containing your logo. Set your logo, and then you are going to drag and drop the image. For example, if it is not set or drag and drop, you are simply going to set the files. In my case, I'm going to see that file right there. Here we have it. I will be uploading that file. Then we are going to set the next step. Now, after we have uploaded successfully our image for the newsletter, as you can see here, we have the header or the logo, the newsletter itself as an image, and also we have some gaps. You can add some social links, for example, drag and drop it like that. Put only these as social links. Make sure to link them together right there. And when you finish, you can add a spacer, for example, like that, and a spacer, another spacer in the, let's say, between the logo and that. We have it. Or you can add a divider if you want. For example, I'm going to add a divider right there. Here we have a divider and etc. I'm going to delete that spacer, but because it doesn't look very aesthetic. And here we have the divider. Now, if you want to adjust the image, click on it, and then we have the size. You can set it original, for example, like that, make it fill, or scale it. You have here the degree or the percentage of the scale. So here we have alignment, and you can also set it to be clickable to another website. For example, I'm going to set it right there to this template. So I'm going to put the website right there, and you have the option to let it open in another tab. And then when you finish, you are going to click on save and exit. Right there, it is set. And all you have to do when you have set everything, click on send, and here we go. You can also send a test email on your email address to see that everything works well from the linking and also the images and the outlays. And here we have also the footer right here. When you finish that, you are going to click on preview and see it right there on the three versions. We have the desktop. You can see it here as the desktop. The mobile version, it is looking very aesthetic, and also the inbox will be something like that. It will be clickable and it will be amazing. Now, you can also go ahead and set whatever and a lot of templates from Canva and make them ready. So whenever you are going to send these newsletter, they will be ready. And also a little bit of modification into Canva, and here we have it. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.